Hi, myself Deepak Sahu. I'm working with Sensys Technologies Private Limited, and today we are going to have a brief run on one of its product, which is known as Hrmthread. Now, Hrmthread, as the name says, it end-to-end HR automation tool, and today we are going to have a look at the employee database. So, as you can see, as the name says, Hrmthread, we have divided the entire HR functioning into various modules. So, these are the various modules what we have. Employee database, payroll, time attendance, claim, loans, exit management, performance management system, recruitment management software, training, mobile app, timesheet management, employee self-service module, and travel management. Today we are going to have a look at the employee database. Now, employee database is one of the crucial information system for any company, because being a HR or being sitting at a managerial chair, you should know each and everything about your employee, and this is the point where most of the companies are lacking. As you can see, employee database covers everything about your employee, whether it's personal or professional, any kind of document, achievement, everything it covers. It covers basically a wide area of selection of your employee, so that it is very easier for you to have a trace on each and every employee of your company. Now let's jump to the application and let me show you what all we have. So we go to HRIS, and from there we go to Employee Master. Once you click there, these are the all employee we have. Let me click on one of the employees. Now, as above, you can see we have given a very strong search engine with us, using which all kind of search is possible within 2 to 3 clicks. So this is one of the most powerful search engine in today's market, which is available with Hrmthread. So you go to employee name, you type name, you start with, ends with, then greater than, all kind of basically search can be done right from here in few clicks. Let me click on one of the employee and let me show you what all we have. So I go to say STPL 0002 Samir Vijay Sawan. I go on edit. So this is the data what we have. As I told you, we cover huge area of selection. So all kind of personal information will be there. Your employee code will be there, first name, last name, gender, male, female, joining date, training date, statutory compliances, PF, ESIC. Then you can manage the multiple branches, department, grade, designation, and all as per your company policy. Here we say whether employee active or inactive. Reporting to manager will come here. What is the currency? So this application also support multi-currency. Then we have given all kind of filters, like we have given user-defined master also. So anything which is coming out of the box, you can manage the things right from here. So like I have designed one UDF as eye color, so you can make a master and you can have a criteria how many of your employee are of black eyes and how many of are brown eyes. Using this, you can define each and anything basically which is going out of the box. So here your calculation table will come. So this system can design all kind of salary structures, what you have, what attendance year you follow, what is the cost category, all kind of thing. In other information, you will be having a separate thing on employee skills, date of joining, separate things on employee on contract. You can even set up a reminder which will enable you after certain months of time whether you want to raise the salary of your employee or not. Weekly offs are there. Then we have given the option of freeze salary. So for XYZ reason, if your employee is absconding and you want to freeze the salary, you need to just put one click here. In personal information, all his permanent addresses, current addresses, all kind of things which is required for HR point of view. KYC details will come here. Payment information will come here, wherein you can have the multiple banks for the single employee. Likewise, so you can even have the salary breakup, and you can use 2 banks for a single employee. Here employee image will come. From HR point of view, everything is there. Passport number, driving licenses, all things qualifications, work experience, family members in his company, hobbies, achievements, insurance given by you, activities. So what all kind of induction and exit activities are going on, and what all you have to do here, you can make a note of everything here, and this is basically useful in full and final settlement of your employee. And here all the attachment will come, so you don't need to maintain physical copies for your employees. All kind of documents are available here in e-copy, which can be accessed in hardly 2 to 3 clicks. This is all for today. This is all what we cover in employee database. Thank you very much.